In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from OKX Wallet to bank account. So if you haven't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to get a nice starting bonus up to $30 in crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video. So we're going to start off from our home tab, and in here you need to click on cash. And if you don't have cash in your account, then you need to sell your crypto to cash. Because only with cash you can withdraw this directly to your bank account. So go ahead and do that first if you haven't have that done. So I'm going to click on cash because I have it in here. And right now I'm going to click on withdraw. And in here you will see the withdrawal methods that are available. So right now it is set to euro, but you also have a dollar withdrawal method, and that is going to be an international wire transfer. So I'm going to select this withdrawal method, and I can see that it is instant or up to 2 business days, and there is a 1 million limit remaining with no fees. So I'm just going to click on next. And from here you need to verify your bank account. So you need to start a deposit with your bank using the instructions and transfer details, and then you need to wait for the deposit to be received. And your account will also be verified and ready to withdraw, so this will make it easier in the future. So right now you need to click on next, and then basically go through the process to link your bank account. So go ahead and click on next. So in order to withdraw the money from your OKX wallet to your bank account, you need to make a transfer with the designated bank account. So what you need to do is you need to deposit money with that bank account where you want to withdraw it to. So that is the first thing that you need to do. And your funds will typically arrive within 2 business days, and OKX will email you when your funds are added to your balance. So click on OK and basically start making a deposit first with that bank account. So click on deposit cash in here. So select SEPA in here, then click on next, and then fill in the details of the bank account that you want to withdraw the money to. So first do this, and then after it's verified, you can go back to what I previously showed you, and that is by clicking on cash, then withdraw, and then you can withdraw it with this method. So that is what you need to do. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.